Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit cinematic reels video using Capcut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut project and then I'm going to create cinematic reels using this video. Okay, first of all, make sure that you choose 9:16 ratio. The ratio which is suitable for Instagram Reels or YouTube Short. And then to make it cinematic, I'm going to apply cinematic color grading. So I'm going to go to the adjustment and then you can follow my adjustment guys. Start from the brightness. For the brightness, I'm going to make it -3, and then for the contrast, make it +5. Okay, and for the saturation, I'll make it +5, and then for the brilliance, make it -20. Okay, oops. And then for the sharpness, for the sharpen, you're going to make it +25. Okay, around 25. And then for the next one is the highlight. For the highlight, I'm going to make it -3. Okay, and then I'm going to move to shadow, make it +4. And then move to the whites, make it +3. And then black and make it -5. Okay, and then for the temperature, make it -10. And then the last one is the hue. I'm going to make it +9. Oops, sorry. All right, and done for the color grading. And wait, let me show you the before and after. Okay, this is before I added or I apply color grading, and this is after I apply it. Okay, you can see the difference, right? And then to make it more cinematic, guys, I'm going to apply speed ramping. So I'm going to click on my video, and then I'm going to go to the speed. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the curve, and I'm going to choose this custom curve, and click on edit. And then you can follow how I customize my curve. Okay, like this. Oops, sorry. Okay, and then now it's done. And if you have Capcut Pro, you can activate smooth slow motion. Okay, and now the slow motion is being applied. Smooth slow motion effect can make your video more cinematic. Done guys, and then I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay, and to make it more captivating, you can you can add music. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.